Good morning on January 24th, new Bitcoin update. Starting on the higher time frame, this is the daily. A lower time frame, I'm already puzzling a bit last few days, mostly because I do think we should see a correction, and the RSI is supporting that idea. Bearish divergence already for a while, but Bitcoin just keeps pushing. But here we do have a kind of consolidation where top could be in, or I do think maybe one more push higher. And to define that, I can show you my Elliott wave count, where this was, by the way, the level where I said we are going into a bullish cycle. So we broke that, and it was also nice to see the consolidation below, breakout. So also this would be logical to see some correction sooner or later. What I do have here is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and you can see the 3 is a bit higher, because I think what I said before, we could do one more higher, and I do have a red box a bit above here, because what I want to show you here is that we do have here, if it works, 1, 2, 3, and in that third leg we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, making leg number 3, 4, and 5. We are now in that fifth leg of the third leg of this third leg. In that fifth leg, we do have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or we do have 4, 5, and then we should see completing leg number 3, and then a correction in leg number 4. That is what I'm looking for right now. This could be ended already, and if we have something like this, and then 3 would be in place here already, and that's kind of a puzzle on the lower time frame, what gives quite some options, and making it for me difficult to determine the lower time frame price action and what is actually the next move. So I'm waiting for either this move or this move and then up. And if this is a strong move to the downside, then I think we are already in 4. Now, when I look at my other chart, my trading chart, going to the 1 hour chart, we did hit the green box, and that looked fine to go for that red box, which is around 23,600. I updated this, I think, already on Sunday night. This might be a trend line to watch, and I think I have here, I did have somewhere my supply zone. Let's draw it again. This is a supply zone which is for now holding, which gives me the idea that maybe the top is already in, and we are not going for that red box anymore. So I'm now looking at how we are bouncing here. If we come back to that zone and do see another rejection, then I think we'll make at least this move, and maybe already going for that leg number 4. All by all, what I said, puzzling on a lower time frame. Ether is also a nice setup or pattern. We did have an ABC into the green box, bouncing here, consolidating below that trend line. But now here also a pretty strong rejection. And again, if I see here a weak bounce, we go lower. And only when we break out, we might see that move, which is, I think, a bull trap, and that we should see a bigger correction after that. And let's not forget, we still have the CME gaps, we have a little one from the past weekend, but there is still a CME gap at 19,000, yeah, 500, 800 more or less. This would be a perfect retest on the higher time frames and giving us some good new entries for the next moves to the upside, in my opinion. And filling the CME gap might be that fourth leg I spoke about. So to summarize, lower time frame, a bit of a puzzle. On the higher time frame, I think maximum one more push higher, but then it is difficult in these kind of conditions with Bitcoin pumping, but then we might have a temporary top.